The first thing I do when I look at a cervix is trying to determine which is the ectocervix and which is the endocervix. But I can't do that here because we've got glands at both ends. So what I do notice at low power is that everything seems to be confined to the upper part. There's no like there's nothing happening deep in the cervix here. Okay, let's go a bit closer. So here we go. Let's look at the endocervix margin, and it all seems to be normal cervix as we scroll along. What I'm noticing is that the nuclei are all basal, they're in a nice even row. The stroma isn't inflamed, it has no reactive changes in it. And I'm just scrolling through quietly through this cervix here, waiting to see what's going on. And it's looking a bit darker here, but maybe that's squashed. The first thing I really notice is when I come through here. So I can see this really big change here in this gland from normal to abnormal, and maybe abnormal up here, but these ones here are definitely looking abnormal. So what I can see is that the nuclei have now become hyperchromatic and pseudostratified. So let's go have a look. Let's go have a look here first. Okay. So in this gland, what we've got is nuclei that are no longer arranged just along the base. This is actually pseudostratification as they get pushed up by these crowded replicating cells, and we have mitoses. And these atypically located mitoses, here's another one, is really typical of adenocarcinoma in situ. So in this biopsy, we have adenocarcinoma in situ affecting these hyperchromatic glands. When we come over here, we wonder, is this also adenocarcinoma in situ? And the answer is yes. So they look a slightly lighter pink, but look at all these mitoses and this pseudostratification. You're going to tell me that the nuclear chromatin really isn't very bad in these cells. And the answer is no, it's not. And they don't even have very bad nucleoli, but they are crowded and hyperchromatic with luminally oriented mitoses, therefore they are malignant. So the next question, we've got adenocarcinoma in situ. Do we have invasive adenocarcinoma? And the answer is no. We are confined still to the normal level of glands in the cervix, and there is no convincing lymphocytic reaction around them or stromal reaction, and it's still a normal glandular pattern. So adenocarcinoma in situ.